Hey there! Let's go through a quick overview of how to enable app request in Jamf School. Before enabling this feature, make sure to determine who on your team should be approving app requests. Admins responsible for approving app requests need to have the read, edit, and delete permissions selected for the app requests privilege. To learn how to assign permissions to administrator accounts and roles, check out the links in the resources. To enable app request, navigate to Organization, Settings, Notifications. Scroll up and select Enable Notifications regarding new app requests under the App Management header. This will send notifications in Jamf School whenever a new app request has been made. To receive email notifications for new app requests, select the Send Emails Regarding New App Requests checkbox. With that selected, click the Select button to choose who should receive email notifications. For this example, I'm leaving the email notifications deselected. Then click Save. Now, any administrators with the app requests privilege will receive notifications in Jamf School when new app requests are submitted. Next, we need to allow teachers to request apps. Click Jamf School Teacher from the settings options on the left. In the app distribution section, enable Allow Requesting Apps and click Save. When teachers want to request an app, they can navigate to the App Store and search for the app they'd like to request. I'm searching for a whiteboard app and selecting the first one I find. Tap the Share button over to the right. Scroll through the apps list, and tap the Teacher app. A box pops up asking us which class we would like to request this app for. I'm selecting Gertrude's English class. Now we can select all of the students in that class who should receive the app. Then tap Next. After reviewing our request, we can tap Submit. A field pops up asking us to provide a reason for the request. We can enter a reason and tap Submit. Once submitted, we're told that we can track the status of our request in the Teacher app. Navigate to the Teacher app, and then tap App Requests in the sidebar. And there's our request with a status of pending. Back in Jamf School, if we check our notifications, we can see the app request. Clicking the App Request button takes us to the Requested Apps page under Apps on the sidebar. At the top, we can filter the list of requests depending on what we're looking for. The Requested Apps area shows the name of the app that has been requested, the teacher who made the request, the reason they entered, and how many licenses are needed. Note, if some students already have the app, Jamf School will automatically calculate which students in the class still need the license. On the right, click the Graduation Cap button to view the class the app was requested for. The request can be approved with the checkmark button or denied with the X button. If we deny the request, we can provide a reason. For instance, maybe we already have licenses for a similar app that we'd rather they use. Back in the Jamf Teacher app, we can see the request has been denied and the reason is displayed to us. I've gone and submitted a new request for the suggested app, and we can see it show up when I refresh the page. This time, I'm approving the request. A message pops up reviewing the details of the request and letting us know that we will need licenses available for the app in question in order to deploy it. To learn how to acquire app licenses through Apple School Manager and deploy apps in volume, check out the links in the resources. Click Approve, and the status of the request changes to Granted. Once the request has been approved, we can deploy the app to the class. Navigate to Inventory under Apps on the sidebar. I've already acquired licenses for the Explain Everything Whiteboard app. Click the app, then scope it to the appropriate device group for that class. To learn how to make device groups, check out the link in the resources. Then click Save, and the app will be deployed as soon as those devices are available on the network. That's all for using App Request in Jamf School. Thanks for watching.